subscribe to my channel, and also press this bell icon.
The dog takes a breather while his offspring hone developing skills. A large fawn stots and weaves in play. It now has the stamina to outrun a jackal. But exuberance can have an exacting price. Play depletes reserves, and the dog jackal is wily enough to exploit this. The dog's ruse pays off, and the female is quick to join him. Golden jackals are not usually known to kill with a chokehold. A common strategy of the big cats, it's an efficient method of bringing down larger prey. Despite this being a solo effort, the dog still lets his mate feed first. As before, she buries her half. Storing food is important. The dry season is drawing. Hip slamming between parents is usually associated with courtship, but here this short display may be just an affectionate gesture, if intruders do cross the line. This female trespasser's cringing posture signals her submission. Strangely, she's not chased off. The trespasser is recognized and accepted. Perhaps she's related. This young jackal may be the yearling returned, and she's back for a reason. She's now a single parent. Territory of her own. She had but one choice: return home.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.